All right, so this one is going to be a frustrating episode because in this short episode, I'm just gonna show you how I attempt to fix this Daytona floor jack because it no longer wants to work because a piston got stuck. And so let's try to fix it. So in here, as you can see, I removed the piston from the main assembly, and the one that wasn't stuck was pretty okay. You can still see the lubrication. As you can see, I dropped a couple drops of the oil on the floor, but the other one, the one that was seized, was so really stuck. I had to use my pliers, and I was able to somehow use brute force to get it out. I was so afraid because I saw online a couple of videos where people just ended up breaking it, but a little bit of a pull and it came out. Alright, so I was able to remove the pistons. It was literally 4 bolts. It's the little bar that holds it behind, and there was these big bolts with a crush washer that were on the side. And finally the piston comes out. That looks really dirty, and the spring that is right beside it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up with some of the brake cleaner and see if it works. And so at this point, all I had to do was just use brake cleaner and clean the parts properly. And after cleaning them well, I added some jack oil to make sure they lubricates properly and placing it exactly how it came out. Alright, so that is done. Just going over it again. So it's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4 bolts. I removed these so it can go back in properly so I can tighten it. But basically this is the pistons that you want to remove. As you can see, now it's out. I cleaned it. It seems loose, which is great. And now I'm gonna have to bleed it to make sure there is no more air. Let's go. right, that's it. Let's see if it works now. And as you can see, the car is lifted. I don't see any movement of coming down. The pistons are out, which was the main issue. And I call that a win. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.